So this is an unboxing and a sound test for the Maono 100 microphone, and all of this video, unless I say otherwise, is being recorded, the sound is being recorded through the microphone. So I filmed this earlier using my iPhone, but the audio that you can hear right now, the voiceover, that is through the microphone. And just for reference, I have the microphone plugged into my Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 audio interface, and then it's recording into GarageBand. So this is quite a cheap lavalier microphone. I think it was somewhere around the $20 mark. So you got a spare battery there. So you have one battery inside already, and that's just a spare that they give you, so that's quite nice. And yeah, the thing that stands out about this for me is just the length of the cabling. It's really long, so I guess you can set it up and be quite a distance away from the camera if that's what you wish to do. I mean, for me personally, I'll probably be using it plugged into my iPhone, so all of that extra cabling will just be sitting in my pocket. But as you can see, they have a little Velcro strap so that you can tie up the cable, so that's kind of handy. And then that's the on-off switch, so it's off if you're using it with a smartphone, but for anything else you have to switch it to on so that there's power going through it. So yeah, that's just me playing with the Velcro strap, so I definitely don't want to lose that, but I guess I could just use a rubber band. And yeah, that's if you want the big or the little one. I can't off the top of my head remember what they're called. And yeah, that's to clip on the microphone. So again, they give you a spare for this. So the spare is actually in the bag, which is still in the box, so you'll see that at the end of the video. Then you have that to block out wind sounds. So I'm inside right now, so I guess I don't really need to use it, but I decided to put it on. And I didn't want to tear it when I put it on, so I was nice and gentle. I'm just going to have a little drink actually, just so you can hear what that sounds like. So I hope this doesn't annoy you too much, but you'll hear what it sounds like. I don't think that really picked up anything. So that was me drinking. So when you're using this, if you're using it for streaming or something, you might want to drink. And yeah, this is just the instructions, not much there. And yeah, a little carry bag as well. So yeah, in here you have the spare clip, so if you lose the other one. Okay, so to give you something to compare the sound quality against, this is me using the microphones on the Logitech 920 webcam. So I think you'll probably be able to hear a difference. So the first part of the video, that was all on the Maono AU-100, and I'm going to switch back now to talking on the lavalier microphone. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what it looks like when you're wearing it. So here it is, and it's an omnidirectional mic, so it will pick up things all around it. And this room I'm in, it's a typical Japanese room, and there's tatami on the floor. And also it's rainy season here, and outside the window, which is like 50 centimeters that way, it's raining quite heavily, so I'm not sure if that's picking up at all. And also I'm just going to do a couple of other tests, so I'm going to have a drink again. It definitely picked up earlier when I was doing the voiceover, but I'll just do it again. Okay, and also if you live somewhere hot, you might be using the air conditioning, so I'm just going to turn that on and see what it sounds like with me talking and the air conditioning going. So the air conditioning unit is maybe about 1.5 meters in that direction, so you're probably picking up at least some of that now. There's also some birds outside the window. So yeah, this was only about $20 US, cost me about 2,000 yen, so not an expensive lavalier microphone. So I guess your expectations can't be too high, but hopefully for the price it's not too bad. But if you have any questions that you want to ask me, please leave them down below. And also, if you found this video useful, please give it a like. And also, if you subscribe to the channel, I do some unboxing videos, of course, like this, but also I mainly do videos about living in Japan. So if you have any interest in Japan or any questions about Japan, please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Okay, thank you for watching.